Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to add or remove movies and shows from Hoichoi and Crunchyroll apps in home screen and recommendations. Method 1. Go to home screen, then go down and select manage services. Here you can see list of services. From this list we need to select these two services. First let me enable this, then enable Crunchyroll. So we can enable these two if you want to show movies and shows from these services in home screen and recommendations. If you don't want to show, you can just turn off. This is method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, go to home screen, then from top right corner select all settings, go to accounts and profiles, go to account, set your services. Here you can see same list of services. From here we can turn on or off. Okay, these are method 2. These are two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.